take it from China. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. So in today's video it's time for a new portable system. It's an invasion, people. It's an invasion of these things. I have reviewed more than 100 portable systems and they keep coming. But this one, it is something new. Yes, and I'm thinking we have a Wicked. I've seen a lot of your reviews. What is new about it? This is what's new about it. And if you're saying, hey, but I am new, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that little bell because you get notified for upcoming videos. Wait, what did they do with Mario? Look at me! It's me, Mario, without a mustache. That is so wrong. Alright, so this one comes with 168 built-in games. I really like the box. There's no information or more information about the product. It's very thick cardboard. I really like it. So well, let's see what's inside. This is what we're going to get. The system itself. And so this is what we're going to get. It's the system itself. Okay, I'm going to do it this time. I'm going to take a close look at it later. Plastic. Ugh. And this very tiny, short, cheap micro USB cable. No, it's not for adding new games. We're stuck with the 168 games. So if it's rubbish, we're having rubbish games on the slim portable system. Alright, let's take a close look at the system itself and what are we going to get. Alright, let's talk about the system itself because this is what we're buying this package for. We're not buying it for the package, but we're buying it for the system. So overall the layout, let's talk about it a little bit. Alright, let's see. We're having here the on and off. If I'm holding it, it's going to turn on. Reset. Okay, this is new. This is I have never seen this before. This is more like this rubbery D-pad. Seriously, it's made of rubber. I'm going to give you a little close later. We're having two rubber A and B buttons. Start. No, it's not start select. It's more like, let's see, sound control and start. There's no select, by the way. A little bit confusing sometimes. So there is nothing at the back. And what you can see, it's super slim. I will grab another system so you do a little bit comparison. Alright, let's do a little bit of a closer view. As you can see, the measurements, it's also way smaller. Not only slimmer, and it's way compact. I really like it. Alright, so here a little overview of the side, and as you can see, this thing is super slim compared to the other one. So if you want to just put it in your pocket, I wouldn't say it will be easy. You still need to have very big pockets, but it's a little bit more pocket than the older version. Yeah. Alright, let's power it on. Need to hold the on and off button. Ooh, sweet. No Final Fight music rip-off this time. There are 3 settings. Off, 1, 2, and 3. That's the loud how it goes. Alright. Still have this annoying menu. How can I start the game? Alright, let's do a quick scroll through the list. It's a unique menu. I've never seen this. Even the sound is new. Alright, let's see. Room Man. Super Mario is on it. I'm going to give you a scroll through it. I see some familiar games, but to be honest, I see a lot of weird names. A lot of crappy games that I have seen of other systems. So, little spoiler, if you compare this one with the FC168 that I reviewed a long time ago, it's still one of the best collection of games. And again, keep in mind, you cannot add games, so in other words, if the game what you see is what you're going to get. So, right, the question is, do we have homebrew games, 16-bit games? So, alright, let's play some games. Let's play some 1942. See, that is a problem, people. I'm so used to pressing stuff. Alright, the first thing they're noticing with this screen, it doesn't have the superb EPS, let's say EPS view angle, but it's very nice. Oh, the D-pad is rubbery, but not bad at all. Very nice responding. I like it. I like it a lot. Right, something happening. Going great, going great. Okay, so they did improve something. When you're pressing the reset button when going out of the menu, I've noticed that it is remembering the last game you have selected and it doesn't go to the first menu every time that you need to change the language. So no, it's going straight to the menu. So that's a very positive thing. Alright, let's go. Let's play some more games. And of course it has some naughty games on it. Alright. Let's see how that responds. You can see that the LCD screen is all bubbling inside. Alright. I must say the game itself runs pretty nice. Alright. Nice. Nice. So I had this game named Special, but it is Highlight Special. Yeah. Personally, I never played this game. And we have this game called Bird Week. I'm guessing this is more like a homebrew game or something like that. Yeah. Devil World. I have seen this game before, but this game was called Ninja Fight. Oh yeah. Huh. Put that on it, so that's great. With no sound. It's time for the pizza boy. What is this? A shooting game. Okay. What is the point of this? Oh, okay, you move this like this. Alright. Yeah, start. Wow. Oh, you can just hold a button. A lot of homebrew games, like you can see, and I must say they're not the best. So what's the point of this? What's the fun of this game? Road Fighter. Alright, let's see. That's a familiar game. Oh yeah. Going wild, people. Going wild. I managed to find a very weird game that was called Street Life. This is more like a 60-bit homebrew game. I've really no clue what to do. It doesn't do anything. Only have this weird sound. And when pressing this button I can shoot, but I have really... Oh, I can... Oh, this is horrible. So right, epic fail. If you choose Contra, normally you need to use the select button for going to the next game or player. Okay, we can only play one player with this thing. But here comes the problem. I can't press select because there is no select button. No, there is not, and I cannot choose the other games. Alright people, so for the final conclusion about the 8-bit Super Slim system or portable system from our friends from China. I must say, the build quality is not bad at all. The rubbery buttons, something you really need to get used to. The only thing that I think is very annoying that they swapped out the select and start button. So personally I'm always pressing the wrong button the first couple of minutes. But nevertheless, you're going to get used to it. So this is what you're going to get. It comes with a couple of good games. But in overall, a lot of crappy games, a lot of homebrew games, a little bit of a bummer. 168 games, but no way of ending files, there are no way of removing files. This is what you're going to get. Let me know what you think of this, really love to know. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and a little bell for upcoming videos. See you next time. And if you're into gaming, check out the gaming channel.